know someone or has someone in their family who has been affected by cancer? According to the National Cancer Institute, in this year alone, over 1.7 million new cases of cancer will be diagnosed in the United States, and over 600,000 people will die from the disease. Recently, James P. Allison of the United States and Tasuku Honjo of Japan won the Nobel Prize for Medicine for the discoveries in making immunotherapy a viable option for cancer patients. Immunotherapy increases the body's immune system strength against tumors. Even if you don't personally know anyone who has been affected by cancer, the chances are that someday you will, or even you will be affected by it. Cancer has affected many people whom I know, including both of my grandfathers, and even people whom I haven't gotten to know personally. Therefore, cancer research and treatment has always been important to me. The latest discoveries in cancer research performed by the Nobel laureates for medicine have made immunology a reality and will allow more people access to effective cancer treatment. Current cancer treatments are typically expensive and not always the most effective. Currently, the two most common treatments are surgery and chemotherapy. Depending on the patient's situation, these options can be used on their own or in combination. According to Stanford Healthcare, several types of surgery are used in regard to cancer, the most common being curative surgery, which directly removes a cancerous tumor from a specific part of the body. However, surgery has obvious side effects such as pain, blood loss, and possible infection. Additionally, surgery is often expensive and has to be used in addition to radiation therapy. Chemotherapy uses a single drug or a combination of drugs to prevent the further division and growth of cancerous cells. These drugs are inserted directly into the bloodstream, which can cause extremely devastating side effects due to the killing of white blood cells. According to Medical News Today, patients who receive chemotherapy are more prone to infections, nausea, and fatigue. The negatives of these two common cancer treatments are diminished with the discovery of immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is a form of cancer treatment that works by strengthening the body's immune system to target and remove cancer cells. Recently, the Nobel Prize was awarded jointly to Allison and Honjo for the discovery of cancer therapy by inhibition of negative immune regulation. Immunotherapy is a relatively natural form of cancer treatment or biological therapy, in that it uses substances made of living organisms to treat the cancer. Therefore, it does not have some of the same side effects as chemotherapy that are caused by the chemical substances used. Furthermore, immunotherapy can be used to treat cancers that cannot be treated by chemotherapy, such as skin cancer. According to the Cancer Research Institute, immunotherapy can be theoretically used to treat all forms of cancer. This makes Allison and Honjo's discoveries even more significant because no other treatment can do this. Due to these new advances in cancer treatment, cancer could become less threatening in the future. This can change our lives and the lives of our loved ones. In conclusion, due to Allison and Honjo's discoveries, there's potential for all types of cancer to be treated successfully in a way that is accessible to most people. Instead of destroying cells in the body like chemotherapy does, Allison and Honjo have discovered a treatment that supports and strengthens our immune system rather than breaking the body down. We have begun advancing towards a cancer treatment that is more effective, safe, accessible, and reliable like never